Hey everybody, this is Eric from Radio Arizona RV, and today I'm showing you the Camco roof vent cover. Now this is very similar to the Maxxair one that I showed you yesterday. Does the same basic thing. It covers the vent so you can leave your vent lid open in the rain, snow, wind, whatever. Now, one thing I said, 14 by 14 vents, so that would be non-powered vents, low-powered vents, with a small 7-inch fan, so this will work fine on there. What kind of makes this different than the Maxxair one is maybe a little bit cheaper. Anything with Camco's name on it, sometimes it's cheaper, not always. We sell them for about the same price. It kind of fluctuates. These things go on sale with our distributors, so our prices go up and down with their prices. But what's kind of cool about the Camco one is it mounts the same basic way, has instructions on it, so there's no confusion there. Comes with the hardware, which is taped inside, just like the Maxxair. Camco is great at knocking off other products, and that's pretty common nowadays, so we're used to it. So they made it pretty much the same, except one really cool deal about the Camco one is the front comes off with just a couple screws, so you can actually clean out this filter in here, the screen. Can't really see it that well from here, but it's a screen in there. So you can clean that out and also get in and clean around the roof vent if you need to. You'd still have to remove this to replace the vent lid itself, but it makes it easier for just cleaning and doing a little roof maintenance. You want to get in there and make sure your vent's got a good seal for some reason. You feel it needs to be checked. Just clean it off. You can clean this out, which they don't get that dirty inside, and probably no one will ever do it. It's kind of like washing windows. You do it about every 10 years if you have to. Yeah, I laugh because, windows don't get cleaned that often. So, hey, these things work really good, just like the Maxxair ones. And like I said, the prices are generally pretty close. So it's, your flavor. If you like the front that comes off where the Maxxair doesn't. And I didn't mention this, but these come in white and black, just like the Maxxair's white and black. So take your pick. They're going to last about the same amount of time. But beware, the black ones are usually a little bit more.